I went all out and tested the most saturated niche to see if it's possible for me to be able to sell a product that's already available on Takealot or in any marketplace and see if it's going to work out for me. Will I be able to make profit or will I just lose money because this product is already available on Takealot? Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ede, and in today's video I'm going to show you that it's possible to sell in a saturated category and still make most of your profit on that product that you're selling. Now when we talk about saturation, I'm going to just give an example of this mug. Let's say there are 10 sellers on Takealot that are selling this mug, a white mug, and then some sellers, they have this emblem or a logo or a branding, and then it's gold in color. It's written the same letters, same font, same size of the cup. It's white in color. And there are 20 sellers or 10 sellers who are selling this product. And when you go and do the exact same thing, you copy the same product, now that's when we can say the market is saturated. Now when I say I am going to buy a mug because I can see that mugs are doing well on Takealot, and I go and I see that okay, everybody is selling a mug with this love emblem, gold color, and it's white round, and I go and look for the same cup, white in color on the outside, black inside, rectangle shape, and it's very big, maybe a bigger size, and I change this color from gold maybe to silver or bronze, and the font of this changes. Maybe if this is italic, I change this to maybe Anthony or any letter or font that you can think of. Now I have my own unique product. I tried to change the colors, so now I am giving buyers more varieties for them to choose from, and that's not saturation. Now that's very different from people are copying the same exact products that other people are selling. So what I did, I went to this niche, the beauty niche, and as you know, the beauty niche is very broad. Everybody is selling different things from maybe 10 rands, 20 rands, 80 rands, 100 rands, 300 rands, you name them. There's a lot of products in beauty category. So what I did was I was doing my research and I found a really good product in the beauty niche, and already the product is already available. But I found a very unique product. It still has the same name. If it's a cup, it's a cup as well, but it's different. It's not just any cup. It's different with the colors, what's inside, the size, the numbers of cups that are going to be in the box. So that's what I did. Now when I go and sourced this product from the suppliers, already it was very expensive, but I could see that this is a winning product. Other sellers who are selling this product, they have great reviews. So that's what I did. I saw that this product, when I look at it, because I'm just looking at pictures, it looks like a very good product. The quality looks amazing, and I tested this product out. Now when I tested the product, immediately when I received the products, have you ever had that feeling when you get the products that you want to sell, but you're like, I want to keep this to myself because it's so good, and you're happy that your customers, or you're even jealous that the customers that are going to get your products or those products are going to be very happy because the quality is astounding. So that's what happened with my product. The budget won't allow me to take one of those products, because like when I test products, I just buy a few, maybe only 10, so that I don't lose a lot of money. So what I do with Takealot, when you ship your first stock, your lead time is enabled. Now you can sell on lead time, meaning that you can have customers buying in your shop when you don't have stock in the warehouse, and you later ship the stock to the warehouses after you've made the sales. And what I did was, immediately when I received my products, I enabled my lead time, and immediately in a day or two before the couriers could come and collect, the products were already sold out on lead time. So I could see that was a good product. So this is what happened. The product, I bought it at a very high price, and when I was still doing my research, I could see that no seller is selling at this price. The price that would make me profit is going to be too expensive, and there's no seller. All the sellers are selling these similar products at a very lower price. So I was like, let me try it, even though mine is going to be expensive, but I really want to give my customers a product that they can rave about. So let me try this product and send it to the market. The customers will decide whether they want it or not. And it was expensive. When I still look at other similar sellers, nobody is selling at that price. I'm like the highest, but the product is good. Now this product is doing so well, with its price is doing so well. So saturation do not really matter when you have a winning product that is in demand. You're not copying and pasting other people's products. You will not have anything. No such thing called saturation when you have your own product. And the best thing about this is that you decide how you lower your price. If we are all selling these marks, exact same everything, and the other one lowers their price with 5 rand, you are forced to also lower your price by 6 rands. The next day they go to 10 rands, you go 15 rands, losing all your profit, competing with your competitor. But now when you are the only one that's selling that product, you can price your product however. Your competitor is not going to decide for you how you price your product. And that's the best thing that you can ever do for yourself, because you cannot be going to the seller portal or on the Takealot marketplace every day looking at how much is my competitor selling at today, and I have to lower, they are lowering, you lower, and you are losing money. But when you have your own product, you can price it however. You will only give discount to your customers when you feel like you want to give them discount, not because your competitor has lowered their price. So this thing is doable. Find a product that nobody is selling, but it's a product that's already available. If you cannot really figure out which products you can bring into the marketplace, and once you bring that product, you can see that it's doing well, you will have an idea for the next product. And also when you're doing this research, you have to look at recent reviews, because you can buy a product that has 1,000 reviews and only to find out that this product has last been reviewed in 2020, and when you bring it to the market because you saw that another seller has 10,000 reviews, you copy them, and when you look, yours is not going anywhere. So this is all doable. The only difference is how much you start with. Whether you want to make 10,000 rands a day, you want to make 5 rands a day, 2 rands a day, or 1 million a day. The difference is how much is your starting capital. You are starting with 10,000 rands and you are buying one mark for 10 rand. You're going to buy hundreds of thousands of marks or 10,000 marks. And if you have 10,000 marks and you're selling 100 a day, compared to somebody who has only 100 rands and buying 10 marks, there's just going to be a huge difference. The other one is going to make maybe only 100 rands a day. The other one is going to make 1,000. So how much you make also depends on you. If you only have a few rands to start your business, it's going to take a very long time for you to have profit compared to somebody who's starting with maybe 500,000 rands. They can go and stock up 10 different products and they have thousands of each, and they make most of their money quickly. But you have to go back, buy, come back, sell, wait for the profit, go back, and you always don't have stock in the warehouse. You can scale to any figure you want, whether you want 6 figures a day, 5 figures, 3 figures, you can make any amount. The product marketing tools are out there. I've already spoke about them. Use your TikTok, your Google Trends to find this product, and you will be able to scale up. And that's all I wanted to talk about in this video. Thank you so much for watching up to here. See you in the next video. Cheers.